it's Chef Marcus, and today I'm making a loaf of bread. So we get the towel. Now we get the bowl again. Now we get some flour. Put it in the sieve, and then we're putting it all in the bowl. And Daddy put some more on, and I saved some more until it's all gone. And then we put some sugar in.
That's salt, a bit of salt. Do you know what that's called?
And then yeast on.
Yeast.
And then we get some hot water. Would you like to try this? I mix it all up and get the rest of the water, and then we mix it with a spoon. Then mix it all of it. Do you know how to make this? Now we get more flour on. All of the flour. And then we get the hard dough. And then we roll. Then we do all of it.
This is where the dough's really wet and sticky, isn't it? So we're just adding bits more flour, and we're just going to keep working it just so it comes together as a really nice ball, like that. And then what do you do, Marcus?
I roll it, fold it, punch it, roll it, fold it, punch it, fold it, fold it, punch it. And then you can try this one day. And it's going to be so lucky. You're going to be so lucky to make this.
That's called kneading it, isn't it?
Yeah.
You did a brilliant job of doing that.
And then Daddy gets a sharp knife and cuts it. Remember, children can't get knives. And then we get... What are they?
They're called loaf tins.
We get the loaf tins
Some olive oil.
and some oil.
Olive oil.
Olive oil.
That's it.
And then we get loaves in. And then they rise up.
That's because of the yeast. You've got to leave them somewhere nice and warm.
And then you just get it in the oven.
This is a grown-up's job, isn't it?
Yeah. Only have to be careful in the oven. And then look at them now.
That's a grown-up's job as well, isn't it? Because they're nice and hot.
Yeah, and look at the bottom. It's so cool. Can you think about this? Then we get the loaves and chop it into big pieces. And then you can taste the inside, and you will think about it.
There we go, we toasted that one, didn't we?
Yeah, and we toast all of it. Toast all of it. Yeah, a bit of butter.
On.
Oh, I would like to try the lemon curd on. Thank you for watching the video. I hope I see you some more many times. Bye.